In this video, I'll show you how to install and run APK files like streaming apps directly on your PC. The process is simple, and by following along, you'll have your apps up and running in just a few minutes. To start, open bluestacks.com. Then under the download button, click See All Versions. Then scroll down and choose the app version that fits your device. If you're using Windows 10 and below, use BlueStacks 4. If you're on a Mac computer or Windows 11, use BlueStacks 5. For Windows 11, choose the latest Android OS it uses, as long as it's not in beta. So we were gonna choose Android 11, at least by the time this video is uploaded. If you will see on the list a higher version that is not in beta, choose that one instead. So download and save. Once done, click to install. Agree and install. Wait until it finished downloading and installing all the system requirements. Close this if this pops up and go back to the app. Also, if this will show up, just put a check mark and hit OK. And we now have the app installed on your computer. You may now then search for app or games. Make sure to sign in your Google account for Play Store, or do it here at their store. We can also download and install APK files, and it will run on this app. So we want to go to a website to get an APK file. Important reminder, since the app is coming from an unknown source, make sure to turn on your VPN before downloading and installing it. APK files downloaded outside of the Play Store or App Store are not verified. This means they haven't undergone official reviews or testing like apps available on trusted platforms. Many third-party streaming apps fall into this category. Because of this, always use a VPN before downloading the APK, while sideloading installing the app, and especially during streaming or usage. This helps protect your online privacy, secure your personal data, and guard against malicious software that may come with third-party apps. My 2 recommended VPN are on this list. NordVPN is the best overall for speed and security features. IPVanish is good at streaming as well. I will leave the link in the video description and in the pinned comment below for you to check it out. So once you sign up an account, download the app on your device and open it on your computer and sign in. You can then choose your server from the options below. Anything will do. And once connected, you can now go back to the website and download your APK files. Then save. Once done, you can click or check it in the folder and open it from there. Wait for it as it installed the APK real quick, and you can now open it from here. This app is designed for gaming, but you can install a launcher as well to remove the ads and make sure the interface look like an Android box. This launcher can be found here as well. If you find this video helpful and informative, be sure to hit that like button, share this to at least one friend, subscribe if you have not yet. That's all that we have for today. I do want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.